What if at this very moment our sun suddenly transformed into a deadly magnetar? Would humanity stand a chance to survive? Or would Earth be erased in seconds? In today's video, we're going to replace our sun with some of the most extreme objects in the universe. A red giant, a red dwarf, a blazing blue star, a neutron star, a terrifying magnetar, and finally, a black hole. Some of these swaps would wipe us out instantly. Others would give us a slower but equally horrifying fate. But here's the real question. Is there any star in the universe that could actually be better for us than the sun? Let's start with a red giant. The moment this star takes the sun's place, Earth wouldn't even get a chance to enjoy the view. The entire planet would be swallowed whole, evaporating inside its fiery atmosphere. The sky would glow bright orange as if it were on fire. Oceans would boil and vanish within minutes. The crust of the Earth would melt into a sea of magma. Instant annihilation. On the destruction scale, that's a 9 out of 10. Brutal and way too fast to even say goodbye. But what if our sun became a red dwarf instead? At first, the sky would look permanently dim, like dusk or dawn, even at noon. But then, the temperature would plummet. Within a single week, Earth's average temperature would drop below freezing. Within a year, we'd be locked in a global deep freeze at 100 degrees C. Oceans would freeze solid, plants would die, the food chain would collapse, life would fade away slowly, leaving behind a frozen, sterile rock. It's a slower death, but just as inevitable. 4 out of 10 on the destruction scale. Now, let's go in the opposite direction. A blue star. These monsters shine thousands of times brighter than our sun. At first, daylight would look surreal, intense blue-white glare flooding the skies. But beauty quickly turns to terror. In seconds, your skin would burn under lethal UV radiation. Within days, Earth would heat so much that rocks and metals would literally melt. Oceans would evaporate into space. Life gone in a blaze. I'd give this one a 5 out of 10. Deadly, but not as theatrically dramatic as the red giant. Ready for something even scarier? Let's swap the sun for a neutron star. The sun's light would vanish. The sky would be pitch black forever. You wouldn't see the moon or planets because they only shine by reflecting sunlight. At first, it would just feel like endless night. But then the real danger kicks in. Neutron stars unleash extreme bursts of radiation. The skies would light up with eerie auroras, not beautiful northern lights, but deadly beams of high-energy particles. Earth would freeze without sunlight. And at the same time, life would be bombarded with lethal radiation, a double death, frozen and irradiated. That's a 7 out of 10. Think that's bad? Let's crank it up to impossible mode, the magnetar. A magnetar is like a neutron star on steroids. Its magnetic field is 1 trillion times stronger than Earth's. If our sun turned into a magnetar, satellites would fry instantly. Power grids would collapse, and Earth's magnetic shield would be shredded to pieces. Deadly gamma rays and X-rays would pour down, sterilizing the planet in moments. The sky would explode with wild planet-wide auroras. Beautiful to see if you weren't already dead. This is destruction in style. 8 out of 10. Finally, the hungriest beast in the universe, a black hole. Let's make it fair and imagine a black hole with the same mass as the sun. That way, Earth's orbit wouldn't change. But the sun's light gone forever. The sky would look strange. Distant stars bending into arcs around a dark void thanks to gravitational lensing. A cosmic spectacle if you had a telescope. Meanwhile, Earth would slowly freeze. After years, surface life would vanish. After millions of years, the planet would be locked at 240 degrees C. Silent, frozen, dead. That's a 6 out of 10. Not flashy, but absolutely final. So, what did we learn? Every single scenario ends in disaster. Red giants cook us instantly. Red dwarfs freeze us slowly. Blue stars burn us alive. Neutron stars and magnetars blast us with radiation, and black holes steal our light forever. The truth is simple. Our sun may not be perfect, but it is the only reason life exists at all. Now, here's the question for you. If you could replace the sun with any cosmic object, which one would you choose, and why? Tell us in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey into cosmic madness, smash that like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe for more episodes of What If the Universe Went Mad.